All right, guys. Good morning. I haven't fully recovered from this cold yet. It's the worst cold I've ever had. Maybe it's the flu. So thank you guys for bearing with me on this. My kids have it, and my poor 3-year-old was 103.8 the other day. So we're all on meds, and we're on the mend. Thank you guys for anyone sending in prayers. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Maybe why this happened, and why I'm very optimistic for the next few days. But there are going to be some maybe linchpin moments that could either skyrocket crypto or honestly could drag it down very quickly that I see. So let's just talk about this. The great thing that happened the other day was that Bitcoin did not break this descending support line here, trend line 2. When you go through these pairs, XRP was in the clear because our support was so low. We used the previous high is what we used as support and we bounced back up. This is a very, very bullish pattern here, guys. This technically did a double top on a lower time frame, like very lower, because we're on 4 hour right now. We are pushing to a double top, but I'll give you my perspective on that. XLM was the only coin that made me a little bit nervous. And I did share this with you guys yesterday in Telegram because I mentioned that we are now below the ascending support line here. By the way, real quick, guys, welcome. I don't know how many people are here. It's 45 or something. Thank you guys for subscribing to the membership. I'll talk about the membership in a second and what we'll talk about tomorrow because I know a lot of you guys want to know about what we're talking about. So, Algorand was a fantastic buy yesterday. These are not difficult buys, guys. They're just trend lines in the market. Let's go algorithmic for a second. They are trend lines in the market, and when you connect them, we break and retest. We move back up. So these are decent moves. More than 10% probably. Yeah, 24%. So here's my speculation real quick on this is that, let me get my notepad out here. All right. So we are either seeing a sell-off because some whales know some insider information that we may not. Trump gets inaugurated today. Okay? There have been rumors. I want to make this very clear, guys. These are rumors. This is no guarantee. So I'm not jumping on the guarantee wagon. Okay? There are rumors that day one, he's going to issue an executive order to make XRP and potentially other cryptocurrencies no tax, specifically those only made in the USA. Okay. If that's the case, I'm kind of thinking this will not happen today, at least. We may have seen a flush yesterday by whales, drive the price down lower to then purchase for a massive, I'm talking a absolutely monumental rally with no tax on certain cryptocurrencies that are coming. And this is where it gets serious, okay? Hold that thought. If you guys are new to crypto and you do not know about this, this is the future forecast on our website. Click this drop down right here. Go to January 7th. We've created the biggest curated list of coins that are headquartered in the United States that I do believe majority of these will be on this list, okay? If Trump comes out this week is possible. Not today, but I give it this week. And he says, here's a list of the cryptocurrencies that will not have tax in the United States. You're going to see an absolute shift, a rotation, okay? Money is going to rotate out of what is taxed and rotate into, I was trying to grab a pink there, rotate into what is not taxed, okay? There's going to be a huge shift here. Now, Bitcoin's the rising tide. Everything usually moves up together and down together. This is a scenario, this is one of the linchpin moments that if this happens, you don't want to be on the wrong side. Okay, you guys need to understand that the big whales out there, they're bigger than us, okay? They're pulling through billions. Let's just say small shrimp like myself, we're clearing over $500,000 to $1 million of profit this cycle, okay? We are going to pay 45% tax on this $500 to $1 million. You're telling me that I could literally just sell what I've got, put it into something else, ride up the rest of the bull market, and keep almost 50% of all of my gains? There's absolutely, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm dumping everything in my portfolio that doesn't have no tax. everything. So, and people are going to do this, especially for people in the United States, obviously. So the other thought is this, and I ask for just a ton of grace as I talk about this, guys. A lot of grace, please, even in the comments. Just my perspective. I don't think everyone likes Trump. Okay? Okay, I'm terrible at spelling. This is powers that be. Because I don't know who they are. People call them cabal. People call them deep state. I don't know. Okay? I actually don't think everyone in the world likes Trump. I don't think everyone likes the liberties he's going to bring to you and me. So with that said, I do think we could come into a scenario here where we see massive, massive market manipulation. I do think there could be an event or some events in the next 1 to 2 months to try to shake people. I mean, like some scary stuff. Just from what I'm hearing prophetically, not myself, but from some other people online, prophets that I trust. It's been too quiet lately. There's been no opposition for Trump. So with that said, we need to have another game plan. I'm sorry this is going a little bit longer today, but this is what we're going to run into tomorrow in the future forecast. We definitely need a game plan if this market absolutely crashes. Okay? So what we're going to do tomorrow is this. In the future forecast, which there's a description link there, and there's 25% off it. It's only $65. Okay. On January 21st, we're going to go over what is the, excuse me, what is the plan if this market crashes. I'm going to give you guys a spreadsheet. It's one I've already created down here that's going to show you guys the buy limits I've used to set up in the market if we absolutely see a big market manipulation crash. Okay, you need to have that. But we're also going to go over the charts that tell us where Bitcoin's expected to go for the whole year, the entire year of 2025. We've forecasted it out into the future already. Okay, no one else has these charts online that we can find. No one else. And they've been holding very true. Called the best entry in January to get into crypto as well. And then we're just going to talk about how we're going to manage our portfolios. We have $1 million in our account as a principal balance. We are up $300 and about $30,000 here. And then my ledger holds all my XRP and XLM. There is another $1.3 million over there. Okay, guys. Tomorrow, hopefully I'll be feeling better. I will be doing a future forecast. And I think you guys will get a lot out of that. I'm going to prepare you for both scenarios, prepare you for what's to come. And if you are not... Oh, and what I'll probably do tomorrow too is I'll give you guys links to the no cryptocurrency tax, just so you guys can get your portfolios prepared for that as well. Okay, guys? Alrighty, I love you. God bless you. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the future forecast, and everything is linked in the description. Bye, guys.